If you're looking at getting into drone inspections, this course is for you. Welcome to the Inspections Masterclass. Our highly sought after drone inspections course is now available after almost a year in the making, and we are so excited to launch this and share with you our knowledge and experience conducting drone inspections for a variety of clients and industries. The inspections course is broken down into 7 sections, and I'm going to take you through each of these so you have a full understanding of the course contents prior to purchasing. The knowledge and insights you get from this course is just priceless and rare to find. You won't see any of this on YouTube. It's all exclusive to Drone Masterclass Academy. What you see in this course is just the beginning. With every purchase of any course on Drone Masterclass Academy, you not only will get some incredible information, but also you have a 30-day refund guarantee and also lifetime access to the course. We are constantly adding new videos every week, so you can always come back, refer to it, pause, take screenshots, try things for yourself. And we also give away hundreds of dollars worth of business resources and templates so you can help get your business off the ground. These resources include job profitability calculators, we've got business documents, NDAs, contractor agreements, sample data sets and footage, and a whole lot more. This course is also not country specific. Our students are coming from all over the world and they have nothing but great things to say. Some are even saying that content and resources are worth 10 times the amount they've paid for, and most importantly, the time they have saved. There is a skills shortage out there with plenty of drone licensed pilots, but not many have the know-how, experience, and industry skills. We've created these courses as a solution for this problem. Learning from an established practicing business just trumps over hours spent in books or in simulations. Our goal is to educate and empower aspiring drone professionals like yourself to conduct operations across all industries. Technology is already there at your fingertips. All you need is the know-how. If you're ready to take that leap, today is the day to seize that opportunity. If the course is on sale, be quick because the price will increase incrementally as we add more modules in. So let's run through the sections. Section 1 is all about welcoming you and giving you access to some discounts and resources. For those starting a drone business and going out on your own, there are plenty of things to do before you get started. You need to make sure you have all your foundations right first. We cover how to market your business, what gear is needed, some handy apps and software, as well as budgets and initial outlays for various work. Section 2 is opportunities by industry. This part we cover a high-level summary of the industry types that are out there at the moment that will be soon relying very heavily on drones in their day-to-day operations. This includes agriculture, mining, oil and gas, road rail, security and surveillance. We also take a look at the billion-dollar construction industry, power lines, utilities, clean energy with blade and solar inspections. Then we talk about line of sight surveys in the telco world, followed by roofs and property inspections, plus a whole lot more. Okay, then we move on to the fun and technical stuff in section 3, getting started. What is the best drone for inspections? Do I stick to DJI? What about Skydio? And what other accessories do I need for my business? We cover those questions and a whole lot more. We cover all types of drones from $500 Mavics all the way up to the high-end drones that have all sorts of amazing applications. And we show you some actual case studies as to why you might not need to invest so much money starting off. Then we get into some accessories and other equipment for your operations, such as charging stations, different camera and lens types for various operations. We even dive into vehicles and their setups, followed by compliance and safety, which is a huge part of your drone operation. Section 4, we take a look at the type training. So this is looking at individual drones in far greater detail. We look at the ins, the outs, the pros, the cons, so you can then make an informed decision before purchasing. This part is a mixture of our video hands-on reviews and also in collaboration with supplier videos and resources. The next section is where the magic happens, software and reporting. This is what the industry is all about, acquiring good data. We take you through some really powerful software for creating 2D maps for roof inspections or 3D modeling for facades, towers, telco poles, and much more. Now, if this hasn't convinced you just yet and you're still watching the video at this point, then the last 2 sections you will love. We have included, backed by popular demand, a whole section on how-tos and job shadows, where you'll come with us on actual jobs. You'll see our process from start to finish and everything else in between. The knowledge and insights you will get from this is just simply priceless and rare to find. You won't see any of this on YouTube or other websites. Then the very last section is for those starting on a new quest. If you're looking to start a business and have no idea where to begin or what these cameras and drones can do, we have included a huge range of free downloads and samples that you can have a go at yourself, usually costing hundreds of dollars and days, if not weeks of your time trying to research out this stuff yourself. So for less than the price of a drone battery, you'll have all this knowledge at your fingertips. If you have a drone and are serious about getting into the billion-dollar drone industry, then this course is for you. Come join us and I'll see you in there.